learned today at ARC Forum that I can take back to my organization is, despite all this technology and AI and using the data, it still requires people to do the work. So we're still gonna have to do the work, still connect with people, and that's what's great about the ARC conference.
Today was a great day at ARC. Today I learned how 5G and private 5G can protect the industrial sector.
Today was a great day at ARC Forum. Particularly, it was the opportunity to have a global overview of the challenges related to implementation of AI and the use and the leveraging of data in industrial companies.
So ARC is a great place to learn. We saw that there's a lot of talks and trends moving towards the adoption of OPA standards for solutions and products for our clients. I think that's a great learning point for our company, as well as to how we can make use of the same standards and trends to bring value to our customers.
This conference has been very enlightening to understand how Esri and the location intelligence can play a critical role in the business process and automation processes. So I'm going to take that back to the company to kind of think about how we can articulate our architectures and solutions better to cater to this particular domain.
Here at the ARC, we found that there are a lot of other companies doing very similar items. There was a lot of hesitation from people within the organization about being bleeding edge, but seeing that other organizations are doing similar issues, going through some of that research and trying to expand on it, let them know that we have other peers that we can rely on. There's a place where we can go to get information. The ARC is sharing a lot of that collaboration, and that was very helpful to the organization.
I love this conference specifically for the fact that we can work with a number of partners and other players in the ecosystem, and everybody's focused on driving home the same message. So yeah, looking forward to the next couple of days.
Well, here at my first ARC conference, I learned that the kinds of topics that are resonating with our industry leaders present here today, how things like AI and process digitalization are what's driving innovation in these spaces and are going to keep us competitive going into the future.
One of the things I learned today is sometimes you just have to start the work. By doing that, we can actually start to implement these things such as AI agents, and really make a big difference in our company.
One of the things I love about ARC is sometimes the conversations I have give me new ideas about even my own product and my company's product. So someone today actually gave us an idea of a use case for how to use what we were building in a way that I hadn't even thought of before, for a technology that we haven't even thought of before.
Today at ARC, I learned the importance of collaboration between IT and OT, and how important it is for these departments to collaborate together for success. It's all about the people-to-people connections at ARC.
I'm having a great time at ARC this year, and today I learned all about how we can do data contextualization in order to add context and information to our data and leverage that for operators and engineers to more effectively do their jobs. I'm excited to take that back to my company and share it with everyone.